Today is a day you will always remember, the greatest in anyone's life. You'll start the day just two people in love and end it as husband and wife. It's a brand new beginning, the start of a journey with moments to cherish and treasure. And although there'll be times when you disagree, these will shortly be outweighed by pleasure.
Hey babe, I can't believe in a few hours I'll be able to call you my husband and I will be your wife. I love you so much and there is no one I'd rather be with on this roller coaster of a life. We have had so many amazing times, from doing the alphabet of dates to putting up with each other through lockdown 1, 2 and 3. You are a fantastic father and I am so pleased that I will soon be connected in name to you and Alice. Lots of love. Your soon-to-be wife.
You'll have heard many words of advice in the past when the secrets of marriage are spoken. But you know that the answers lie hidden inside, where the bond of true love lies unbroken. So live happy together as lovers and friends. It's the dawn of a new life for you. As you stand there together with love in your eyes, from the moments you whisper, I do. And with luck, all of your hopes and your dreams can be real. May success find its way to your hearts. Tomorrow can bring you the greatest of joys, but today is the day it all starts.
Well, good afternoon everybody, and a very, very warm welcome to the stunning Pylewell Park on an absolutely beautiful day for Ryan and for Eleanor.
Hi Ellie, if you're reading this then you can be at ease because I'm here. I thought that I would be more nervous, but in reality I just can't wait to see you. Whatever happens today, it will be an amazing day because I married you. I love you so much and I will see you soon. See you soon.
Ryan, do you wish to be joined in marriage to Eleanor, promising to love her and remain true to her for the rest of her life?
I do.
And Eleanor, do you wish to be joined in marriage to Ryan, promising to love him and remain true to him for the rest of his life?
I do.
I, Ryan Scott Beavis,
take you, Eleanor Rose Mullard,
take you, Eleanor Rose Mullard,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
50% married now.
I, Eleanor Rose Mullard,
Take thee, Ryan Scott Beavis,
take thee, Ryan Scott Beavis,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love and commitment,
as a symbol of my love and commitment.
I promise to love and cherish you
I promise to love and cherish you
for all that you are
for all that you are
and all that you become.
and all that you become.
I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love and commitment,
as a symbol of my love and commitment.
I promise to love and cherish you
I promise to love and cherish you
for all that you are
for all that you are
and all that you become.
and all that you become.
Eleanor and Ryan, you have made a solemn and binding contract with each other here in the presence of your family and your friends. So it is my very, very great pleasure to announce that you are now husband and wife. And I think we'd like to see that sealed with a kiss. Congratulations.
Raise the roof, give your warmest, loudest welcome to the new Mr. and Mrs. Beavis.
I've known Ellie for quite a few years now. During that time, I've watched her grow into the beautiful woman that stands before you today with her husband by her side. Being with her today, I'm very proud of the way that she's grown up and delighted to see she's found someone that she loves and cares for very much.
Groom speech, written by Ryan Beavis, aged 31, approved by Alice, aged 7 months. Approved with great excitement, which I took as, Daddy, that is the best speech I've ever heard in my life. It was probably, Daddy, that's my rabbit, can I have it please? So, on behalf of my wife and I, talking of my wife, everyone will agree you look absolutely amazing today. And I feel privileged that you said yes. Although I don't blame you, a photo shoot in the poppy field, I even surprised myself. But seriously, today I'm so happy that I get to marry my best friend. We have done so much in the last 5 years we have been together. We have had countless laughs and we welcomed our amazing daughter into the world and have made some incredible memories. I can't wait to make plenty more, so please everyone be upstanding and raise a glass to Miss Eleanor Rose Beavis. It does sound weird, doesn't it?
Everyone is looking very glamorous today, but I think we can all agree that Ellie stands out above all else, looking like a Disney princess. Ryan and Ellie, I'm sure I can speak for everybody in the room when I say I wish you all the happiness that you deserve. We are so glad that you have found one another, and this day is a reminder that the best is yet to come.
If you could all please stand up and join me in raising a glass to Ryan and Ellie. We love you and we wish you the absolute best for the future.